Welcome to Wonderscape. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey through part 1 of our series on the world's tallest statues. Join us as we delve into the majestic heights, cultural significance, and fascinating stories behind these iconic landmarks. Stick around until the end to discover the final statue in our lineup. If you enjoy our content, remember to subscribe to Wonderscape and hit the bell icon for notifications. Number 1. Statue of Unity, Gujarat, India. Our journey begins in Gujarat, India, where the Statue of Unity stands proudly as the world's tallest statue, towering at an impressive 597 feet, 182 meters. This monumental tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, was unveiled in 2018. Designed by renowned Indian sculptor Ram V. Sutar, the statue required the effort of 3,000 workers and 250 engineers over 33 months to complete. Constructed with bronze panels on a steel framework, it stands as a symbol of national unity and pride, overlooking the scenic Narmada Valley. The site includes a museum and exhibition hall, offering visitors insights into Patel's life and India's rich history of independence. Number 2. Spring Temple Buddha, China. Traveling to Henan, China, we encounter the awe-inspiring Spring Temple Buddha, rising to a staggering height of 420 feet, 128 meters, with an additional 66 feet, 20 meters, from its lotus throne. Completed in 2008, this colossal statue of Vairocana Buddha is a testament to Buddhist resilience and spiritual strength. The construction of the Spring Temple Buddha was prompted by the destruction of the Bamiyan Buddhas in Afghanistan, emphasizing China's commitment to preserving Buddhist heritage. Surrounded by the serene Tianrui hot springs, renowned for their healing properties, the complex includes temples and monasteries that offer pilgrims and tourists a tranquil retreat for meditation and spiritual contemplation. Number 3. Lun Seia, Myanmar. In Katakantong, Myanmar, stands the imposing Lun Seia, towering at 380 feet, 115.8 meters. Completed in 2008, this majestic statue of Gautama Buddha is part of a sprawling complex that includes a reclining Buddha statue measuring 295 feet, 90 meters in length. The Lun Seia symbolizes the Buddha's teachings and compassion, attracting pilgrims and tourists alike to its serene surroundings. The interior of the statue features 31 floors, each representing different planes of existence in Buddhist cosmology, adorned with intricate paintings and sculptures that depict the life and teachings of the Buddha. Surrounded by lush gardens and smaller statues, the Lun Seia serves as a spiritual sanctuary and a testament to Myanmar's rich Buddhist heritage. Number 4. Guan Yin of Nanshan, China. Traveling to Sanya, Hainan, China, we encounter the elegant Guan Yin of Nanshan, standing gracefully at 354 feet, 108 meters. Completed in 2005, this magnificent statue of Guan Yin, the Buddhist goddess of mercy, is known for its serene presence and 3 faces symbolizing compassion, wisdom, and protection. Set on a small island connected to the mainland by a bridge, the Guan Yin of Nanshan overlooks the tranquil South China Sea amidst beautifully landscaped gardens. The statue and its surroundings offer visitors a peaceful retreat for meditation and spiritual rejuvenation, making it a popular destination for pilgrims and tourists seeking solace and inspiration. Number 5. Usiku Daibutsu, Japan. Japan's Usiku Daibutsu stands tall at 330 feet, 100 meters, in Usiku, embodying the serene presence of Amitabha Buddha. Completed in 1993, this impressive bronze statue features an observation deck at 279 feet, 85 meters, providing panoramic views of the surrounding Kanto plain. The interior of the statue houses a museum and exhibition hall that showcase Buddhist artifacts and teachings, offering visitors a deeper understanding of Japanese Buddhism and culture. Surrounding the statue are meticulously maintained gardens, including a flower garden that blooms with seasonal flowers and a small animal park, creating a serene atmosphere for contemplation and spiritual reflection. Number 6. Sendai Daanan, Japan. Also in Japan, the Sendai Daanan rises 330 feet, 100 meters, above Sendai, embodying Kannon, the Buddhist deity of compassion. Completed in 1991, its unique design allows visitors to explore multiple levels adorned with intricate sculptures and exhibits that depict Buddhist teachings and mythology. At the top of the statue, an observation deck offers sweeping views of Sendai City and the surrounding mountains, making it a popular destination for pilgrims and tourists seeking spiritual enlightenment and panoramic vistas. Number 7. Guishan Guan Yin, China. In Hunan, China, stands the Guishan Guan Yin, reaching a height of 325 feet, 99 meters. Completed in 2009, this magnificent statue of Guan Yin, the goddess of compassion, is made of gilded bronze and radiates tranquility amidst its landscaped gardens and picturesque surroundings. The Guishan Guan Yin's serene expression and graceful pose embody Buddhist ideals of compassion and enlightenment, offering visitors a serene sanctuary for meditation and spiritual reflection. Its cultural and spiritual significance makes it a cherished landmark in China's religious landscape. Number 8. Great Buddha of Thailand. Thailand's Great Buddha of Thailand, also known as Pra-Buddha Maha Nawamin, stands majestically at 302 feet, 92 meters, above Ang Thong. Completed in 2008, this golden statue depicts Buddha in a meditative pose, symbolizing peace and enlightenment. Located within the Wat Muang Temple complex, the Great Buddha of Thailand attracts pilgrims and tourists seeking spiritual solace and blessings amidst its tranquil environment. Its imposing presence and cultural significance make it a revered landmark in Thailand's religious landscape. Number 9. Dai Kannon of Kita no Miyako Park, Japan. Returning to Japan, the Dai Kannon of Kita no Miyako Park stands 289 feet, 88 meters tall in Hokkaido. Completed in 1989, this statue of Bodhisattva Kannon features over 20 floors that visitors can explore, offering insights into Japanese Buddhism and culture. Its panoramic views and serene atmosphere make it a popular destination for spiritual seekers and tourists, surrounded by gardens and attractions that reflect Japan's rich cultural heritage. Number 10. The Motherland Calls, Russia. Finally, in Volgograd, Russia, the Motherland Calls stands 279 feet, 85 meters tall, commemorating the Battle of Stalingrad during World War II. Completed in 1967, this monumental statue of a woman with a sword symbolizes Russia's resilience and patriotism, overlooking the Mamayev Kurgan Memorial Complex. Its dramatic pose and historical significance make it a poignant reminder of the sacrifices made during one of the war's decisive battles, attracting visitors from around the world to pay tribute and reflect on history. That concludes part 1 of our exploration into the world's tallest statues. From India to Russia, these monumental structures not only showcase incredible feats of engineering, but also embody profound cultural and spiritual significance. We hope you've enjoyed this journey with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to Wonderscape and hit the bell icon for notifications so you won't miss part 2, where we uncover even more fascinating statues from around the globe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more captivating adventures.